All right. Um, let's see. Hopefully this works. I wanted to build a video for a lot of different reasons. I just recently moved my personal website from AWS LightSail to Amazon S3 Bucket. I pointed my domain name www.webskies.com to my new bucket, and I'm writing the code for the HTML that I've used on the site, and I'm also learning OBS Studio. It's been at least a year or two since I used it, so hopefully this works. All right, so this is let me see. So I'm building it with VS Code. These are all my HTML files. Here's my index file and my CSS. And this is a test, basically. So I want to see if this is actually working, but this is the reason I want to start doing this stuff. The main reason I started doing this is because I'm learning Python programming, and I use a lot of different apps, IDEs like this I'm looking at, but I want to incorporate it eventually into my website. So LightSail wasn't really working for me. Maybe I just don't know it good enough. So I actually moved my hosting to Amazon and S3 bucket. And I uploaded all my HTML, which I used here. I also had help from ChatGPT to build me like a template, and I'm modifying it and things like that the last day or so. And that's what I'm working on. So here's my different files. I'm using this to, again, to work on my HTML and CSS and eventually JavaScript, which I don't know yet at all. But I've seen it, and I don't think it's going to be that difficult once I get around to it. But again, I'm using this. I pointed my domain name, which is hosted by GoDaddy, to from the LightSail IP address to my Amazon S3 buckets domain name. I did that earlier. I don't know if it didn't update yet, but it's not masking my name. So for instance, if I go to this is my website, webskies.com. Okay. Why is that not going? HTTPS. Let's see if that changes it. I don't know. Let me use another browser. I was using this one. All right, same webskies.com. Okay, now it goes there. I'll check out the browser later. I don't want to waste time on this video. But right now, this is the site that I have. You can see that it actually showing the Amazon resource URL on this. I'm still learning the terminology, but this is my URL, and it should be masking my domain name, which should show you webskies.com, but I'll look at that later. But it is forwarding here, and my code is working. It's not the most organized yet. You can see, well, once looking through on the browser, you can see it's not as neat as I want to have it, but not bad for a day's work, a day and a half. But these are my different sites. This is for my music. I embedded a music video that I had here. Get ready for a scream. And I wonder, this is another test. I want to see if the audio from my computer will be heard on the video that I'm making, which I don't know. But if it does, you're going to hear a scream, because the song is a Halloween song, whatever, that I made up, and I made a video. So anyway, here it is. Let's test. All right. So this is a video that I have from my YouTube channel. It's a little goofy video about Halloween, and then goes into music. And I'm curious to see if actually, again, if I can hear it on the video that I'm making, because it's since I used OBS. I also like making recordings, like play guitar and all that stuff, sing. That's how I made this video. I don't even know if this audio is playing on my video that I'm making, but that's it. So here's some other pages I made. This page I'm going to use for my love of comic book collecting and other stuff. I also like making videos. This is a video I made, a goofy video about Santa Claus. Again, I want to see if they actually do audio.
The person that
but this is
help him.
my first video in a long time.
Santa
There'll be
Claus
more.
himself.
Thanks. Bye.